Hello my quilting friends. Today we're going to be talking about making half square triangles 4 at a time. This method is really fantastic, and the only thing you really have to be careful about when you're doing this is that these will be cut on the bias, so they will stretch easily, and I recommend pre-treating your fabric with Mary Ellen's Best Press or whatever spray sizing or starch you like to use. Other than that, this is a fantastic method to make HSTs really quickly. I am wanting to have a 2.5 inch unfinished square, and so I have cut my blocks at 4.25 inches. There is a chart on our website that gives you the breakdown for all the different sizes that you can make, and you can download it or you can just view it on our website at www.flashfictionmysteryquilt.com. So let's get started. I've got my needle set at 1/4 inch. I'm going to place my 2 fabric colors that I want for this HST right sides together, and I'm going to line them up, and then I am simply just going to sew a 1/4 inch seam all the way around the outside of this square. Now when I get to the corner, I'm going to try to get it at the right place that I can pivot, but you can also just run off the corners and start sewing your next line. Either way is fine. And now, as you can see, I've got my 1/4 inch sewn all the way around the outside of this. Let's go to the cutting table and cut it. For this method, you do not need to mark anything on your square. What you're going to do is you're going to take your ruler and you're going to line it corner to corner, and you're going to cut it on both of these corners like so. Lift your ruler carefully so you don't move them, and then simply place it going the other direction, again corner to corner. And now you have 4 half square triangles, and I will be pressing these to the dark side and then squaring mine up. I like to use the larger size starting square because I like to have extra to trim off so that I can get really nice beautiful HSTs with my points lined up on the diagonal for squaring. But aren't they cute? Now all 4 of my HSTs have been pressed, and remember what I said when we started, don't pull on these because they will stretch. So when you press them, just fold it over and press them carefully, and as you can see, mine are not stretched out, and so it's just simply time to square them up and they will be done. Now you've learned a simple method to make 4 HSTs at a time. Be sure to hop over to our website and download the chart so that you have it whenever you have to make multiple HSTs. Right on hand, you can download it and print it and save it to your computer. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope that it helps you make bunches of HSTs really quickly and beautifully. Happy quilting, and bye y'all.